Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to open the image in another window to compare or to edit on your photo gallery. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can view two images side by side by opening one in a pop-up or a split screen and the other one appearing at the top. So here is an example. I want to edit this photo, however, I want to still look at the original. So to do this, I'll go ahead and tap on the three dots. I'll tap on open in another window. So here I've got two instances of the gallery open, one at the top and one at the bottom. Now I can go ahead and tap on edit on the first one, and then I can go ahead and adjust all of these. So I can do light balance, brightness, contrast, highlight, shadows, temperature, tint, and so on. And I can go ahead and compare it from the original to what I've edited. So this is ideal for comparing edits or choosing between photo variations, streamlined decision making, and ensures consistent quality. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the gallery app. Next you want to go ahead and tap on menu, then tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Gallery Labs. If you don't see it, you need to go ahead and tap on About Gallery and tap multiple times on this version until you see a message which will appear right here saying Gallery Labs has been enabled. Go back and you'll see this new menu here. Tap on this. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find this option, open in another window. So this opens a new viewer in another window from image or video viewer. So make sure this feature is turned on. Now go back, open an image, tap on the three dots, and here you'll see this option, open in another window. So this will allow two instances of gallery open on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to open image in another window to compare on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.